Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. If you are here, chances are you are dealing with the latest Windows 11 KB5053598 disaster. It's supposed to be a security update, but instead it's breaking PCs, causing boot failures, and even giving people the scary blue screen of death. So in this video, we are going to break down what's wrong with this update, the errors people are facing, and most importantly, how to fix it. So let's dive in. So KB5053598 is a mandatory Windows 11 24H2 update released in March 11, 2025. Microsoft pushed it out to fix some security issues, including a serious zero-day vulnerability. That's all good, but here is the problem. This update is causing major issues for lots of users. Some users says that the update won't even install. It gets stuck at 6%, 20%, and even 99%, showing different error codes like 0x800F0993, 0x800F081F, and 0x800700032, and then rollbacks with an error message something didn't go as planned. Even worse, some people manage to install it only to find their PC won't boot afterward. Some get stuck in the BIOS with no bootable device found message. Another big issue, remote desktop RDP keeps disconnecting. If you are working remotely or using RDP for your office setup, this is a nightmare. User says their RDP session drop every 4 to 10 minutes, making it almost impossible to work. Now let's talk about the scary part, BSODs. Some users are seeing errors like critical process died, kernel power failure, right after installing KB5053598. As of now, it's unclear if Microsoft is aware of these issues associated with latest update, but we hope that they will acknowledge it soon and release the update that will fix these issues. In the meantime, let's talk about what you can do. If you are unable to install the update, then I recommend just ignore the update or pause the update for a few days and install only when Microsoft fixes these issues. In case you manage to install the update anyhow, but after doing that you are facing issues, then head over to Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Update, and locate the same update and uninstall it. On the other hand, if you are unable to boot into your PC, then enter Advanced Startup option and uninstall the same update from there. I have already covered a detailed blog post on how to do that, so check the link in the description. For remote desktop disconnecting issue, here is what you need to do. If you have Pro Edition of Windows 11, open Group Policy Editor and go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Component, Remote Desktop Services, Remote Desktop Connection Client. Now here locate Turn off UDP on client, double click on it, select Enable, click Apply, then OK and restart your PC. On the other hand, if you are using Home Edition, open Registry Editor, navigate to following key location. Here, create new DWORD 32-bit value named fclient disable UDP. Now set its value data to 1. After that, close everything and restart your computer. And this should fix the issue. For detailed step-by-step instructions, check the blog post in the description. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.